How do I join two worksheets in Excel as I would in SQL? I have two worksheets in two different Excel files. They both contain a list of names, ID numbers, and associated data. One is a master list that includes general demographic fields, and the other is a list that only includes name and ID, and an address. This list was pared down from the master list by another office. I want to use the second list to filter the first. Additionally, I want the results to include other fields from the master worksheet alongside the address fields from the second worksheet. I know how I could do this very easily with a database inner join, but I'm less clear on how to do this efficiently in Excel. How can join two worksheets in Excel? Bonus points for showing how to do outer joins as well, and I would greatly prefer knowing how to do this without needing a macro.
For 2007 plus use data is greater than, from other sources, is greater than from Microsoft query. Choose Excel file and select your first Excel. Choose columns. If you don't see any list of columns, make sure to check options is greater than, system tables. Go to data is greater than connections is greater than, choose the connection just created, is greater than properties, is greater than definition is greater than, command text. You can now edit this command text as SQL. Not sure what syntax is supported, but I tried implicit joins, inner join, left join and unions which all work. Here is a sample query.
Support the accepted answer. I just want to emphasize on choose columns. If you don't see any list of columns, make sure to check options is greater than system tables. Once you select the Excel file, very likely you will see, this data source contains no visible tables, prompt, and the available tabs and columns are none. Microsoft admitted that is a bug that the tabs in the Excel files are treated as system tables, and the option for system tables is not selected by default. So don't panic at this step, you just need to click option and check system tables, then you see the columns available.
You can use Microsoft Power Query, available for newer versions of Excel, similar to the accepted answer, but much simpler and easier. Power Query calls joins merges. The easiest way is to have your two Excel sheets as Excel tables. Then in Excel, go to the Power Query ribbon tab, and click the From Excel button. Once you have imported both tables into Power Query, select one and click Merge. Update: Power Query is now built into Excel as Get and Transform Data, accessed from the Data tab on the ribbon. VLOOKUP and lookup could be used to search for matching primary keys, stored vertically or horizontally, and return values from attribute columns/rows.
If you want to support the channel, please consider subscribing.